Hello guys, welcome to US Freelancer. In this video you will learn about WordPress media page comment and appearance menu at the backend of WordPress. In this video you will learn what is media library and how can we add and remove file to media library. You will learn what is page, how we create page and what page setting have, how can we add different functionality. You will learn how can we upload theme WordPress and install and activate it, how can we customize themes and set various setting. You will learn how can we create menu and add pages and make drop-down menu, mobile and main menu for PC. How can remove the copyright claim of themes and write own site name. What is themes editor, what it have, what can we change and what is to take risk. How to solve WordPress problem with best answers. Now let's check out the video in details if you're beginner and don't miss any point. Double-click desktop server. In pop-up window click on site if you have already created site. Otherwise select new development website, click next to create new website on local host. In browser click on dashboard to go to the admin panel of your site. This is the admin panel of WordPress. In previous video we have discussed about dashboard and post menu in admin panel. We are going to take start with media. The media have two sub-menu library and add new. The library shows the various media file you have added. In my case there is only images. You can add video, audio, document and various other files. You can select either list view or grid view. You can filter by image, video, audio, documents and much more. Everyone show regarded media files. You can filter by date. You can search image by name you know. You can add new media files by simply drag and drop or upload manually. The media file will upload and it will be shown in your media library. The other most important topic is page menu in WordPress admin panel, which have two sub-items. All pages and add new. When you first installed WordPress there are two pages, one name is sample page and other is privacy page. All are two, published is one and draft is one. The privacy policy page is in drafted, as there is written in front of it. While the other sample page is published one. If there is a lot of pages then you can search it by name. The screen option show author comments and date. You can uncheck and check to show desired screen option for pages. There is no trash. If you send page to the trash then trash will appear. Have one page you can restore and delete permanently from trash. When trash have no items it will not appear above the pages. I am going to delete it permanently because it is of no use here. We have to create new pages and I am going to clear all current pages. We can create new page from all pages, page sub-menu, and upper bar. This is the screen which appear for page just like post, but we cannot apply tags and category. For pages it could be done by using plugins. Add title to page. Let us creating home page and publish it. We can set page as public, private and password protected. The password protected can only be accessed by those who have password. We can also set publishing time for it. We can set feature image for page, but doing so is not a good idea. We can allow and ban comments for page, but I prefer to ban comment for page. We can set the order for page by giving number and it will appear at the given number in menu on website, but I am leaving it as it is. It shows that there is no block, but if I start writing in block, then the block properties will be shown in block section. You can set properties of various block to your required rate. You can set drop cap on and off. You can select color for blocks and color for the font. If you know about CSS or know how to add CSS, you can add custom CSS. By clicking the plus button will allow you to add different box for content including images, audio, video, paragraph, heading and much more. Let us create few pages which can be used in menu. The menu is located in appearance menu of admin panel. Let create pages. WordPress. Web development, and to get rid of another publish button after clicking once, we can uncheck it from field menu in the option, and we will be able to publish page with once click. Keep the slug name as it is page name. It help in SEO of page because it is used in permalinks and excerpt in Google. You can check the status and visibility of page, for example revision. You can select page as child page of another or parent page. Now I am going to create education page. The contact us page include the contact information about company or owners. It may be address, emails, Facebook page, phone number, Skype, and much more possible. For drop-down menu I am creating pages which will be drop-down menu of WordPress. Let us see CSS, HTML, JavaScript. These These are all pages we have created, but none of them have contents, as it only for learning how to create pages. There are 8 pages. The comment in the admin panel shows the audience comments, which the owner of website we see here in admin panel, and he can change and modify the audience comments. At the time there is no comment here. The another and import panel is appearance, which have sub-menus. These are theme, customization, widgets, menus, header, and theme editors. The first option is theme, which changes the looks of website. There are default themes, and you can add new or upload from your PC if you have downloaded it and you want to apply the theme you want to upload. But the theme must be uploaded in zip file. To add theme from WordPress store, you have to install the theme first and then activate it. When you installed it will appear with your themes of default once, and when you activate it then it will apply to your site. You can upload theme here from your PC by choosing zip file. After some time it will be installed, then click activate to apply the theme to your site. But at time will seem useless because there is no content on the site. The meta in sidebar provide to log into your site URL, or you can log into your site by using /admin after the site URL. The next option in appearance is customize. You can customize theme from there or go to theme. There you will see customize option with activated one. Activated themes can only be customized from there. Every theme have different customization setting. Let's check for Ocean WP. From the first option it show that some premium add-ons are available which will improve the theme functionality. You can buy it. The next option have the details about site identity. Here you will see site name, tagline and favicon for the site. The favicon is icon that appears in browser tab. You can change and remove it. But the icon must be square or you have to crop the image. You will see the new bird icon in browser tab. The tagline is below your site title. You can change here tagline and site title to new ones. You can edit each sidebar item by simply click on pencil icon. Everyone has his own setting. In menu option you can create new menu and show you pages on site in different location. Click on create new menu. Give proper name to your menu. Then click on add items, to add items to the menu. You can add pages, post, category, tags and formats. I am adding page at the time. You can drag and drop pages to specify arrangement for pages to appear on site. Place page in drop-down menu of other page, by moving page in menu little bit to the right, and it will show box like rectangle. Place there and it will be appear in drop-down menu of the page, on your site. In my case the web development have WordPress in drop-down menu, and in WordPress page drop-down menu, there will be JavaScript, HTML and CSS. You can select where you want to show pages. In top bar the pages will be shown about the site name. In case of main, pages will appear in line with site name and above the tagline. In case of footer menu it will appear in the footer of the site next to the copyright claim. For mobile menu you have to select mobile menu and one of the above, but it look nice if we use main as a menu place. In widget you can set various footer widget. You can select latest post or static page. In home page setting you can select page for home and page for post you want to show there. In custom CSS you can add CSS to the theme to apply looks you want. The general option have general styling, general setting, page title, scroll to top, pagination, forms, themes button, and 404 error page. The scroll bar is an arrow point to above which help the user to take it to the top of page. You can customize scroll to top icon, position, size, and much more. In pagination we can change font size, background color, and a lot about page designing. The 404 error page is for error in website when the link cannot approaches the desired page, then it shows this page 404 error page. The typography option in customization have details about font size, color, and page headers color and related to text. You can check all the option in typography and set it to your desired results. There is a lot of the things in typography of this theme and I cannot explain each shown right now. I would like to make new tutorial video for it. The footer menu have detail setting about text and color design for footer. Header has media option. For header you can add image or video to the header of the site. By enabling social menu you can add social ID links, then it will be shown on the site. You can add blogs detail. You can set offset and margin for the sidebar in sidebar option. In footer button you can change the copyright text to your own ones. The last option is for hide control, which you can use after editing somewhere any section and check that how it will looks. The next option in the appearance menu is that of widget. You can delete option sidebar from widget menu. If I remove the recent comment and archive block from widgets, then it will be no longer shown on the site. You can add various blocks from the blocks on the left side and edit the block into footer and other widgets. Add title to the block and select video from upload library or upload new ones from your PC, or copy the URL of video from YouTube or any other. The next option in appearance is menu, where we can create new menu and delete menu. You can create menu of post, pages, category, tags, and formats. You can set the drop-down menu for it. In menu setting you can check where you want to show menu and select for mobile menu. After making some change in menu, click on Save, to save menu setting. The header in appearance will take you to the setting up different styles for headers. You can select video header by upload video or insert it from library, but till now there is no video here. You can copy the URL of video on YouTube you have uploaded and paste there for header video. You can set header image for site. It position and set attachment to. Scroll or fixed when someone moves down site. As there is no image, so it doesn't shows it. The install plugins in appearance menu are plugins that are with themes and needed for its extra functionality. For Ocean WP, there is Ocean Extra. Click on install if you want to install it. It will take about half minute to complete installation, but I need no extra functionality, so I am going to cancel it. The Themes Editor is the last option in appearance menu, where you change theme code. It shows heads-up pop-up window that this task is risky. If you have no idea about theme code and cannot understand it, don't take risk. It will destroy your theme and can affect your site health. Here select the theme from the above option and code the file where you want to make change. From the theme files you can select which file you want to change. So we have finished up the appearance menu, and the remaining are very important. We will check it in next tutorial. Till now do practice of each section, you will learn it very well if you do practice, as the site is on localhost and it will not affect hosting or other plane. Keep practice. In case of any problem you can text me on Facebook page or leave a comment here. I will solve your problem regarded to WordPress. If something happened to your site, you can create new one with desktop server. It is free to create. You can create 3 sites on desktop server. If your site crashed, remove it with desktop server and create new one to use it free. In premium you can create site more than 3. So thanks for watching tutorial. See you in next video. Till now subscribe to US Freelancer for more videos. Good luck.